Kumusta? Welcome to Dash of Spices. On today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this quick and easy cucumber salad with sweet and sour dressing. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Let's start with our ingredients. We have green onions, ginger, red bell pepper, lemon, and cucumbers. This is white vinegar, but you could substitute this with coconut vinegar. Also some Himalayan salt, garlic powder, coconut oil, and brown sugar. Let's start making our sweet and sour dressing. Start with the vinegar and then just add all the spices from green onions, red bell pepper, and some ginger. I will include the complete ingredients down in the description box, so don't worry. Now just mix until well combined. Squeeze the lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. If you have a key lime, that actually works better, but lemon juice will do as well. Give it a little mix. And now add the garlic powder, some salt. You could adjust this, depends on your taste. This is really depends on your liking. Now add the coconut oil. The coconut oil is like thick, so you have to make sure that the coconut oil is completely dissolved or liquefy. Just mix it thoroughly. Now add the brown sugar. Now with the brown sugar, this is again depends on your liking. I wind up adding another teaspoon of the brown sugar. What we're looking for is to create a sweet and sour dressing. So either you could add more vinegar or salt or a sugar. Now that our dressing is ready, let's add the cucumber. Now all we have to do is mix them nice and well until everything is well combined. Mix them nice and neat, nice and easy. Now you could add also chili, like a hot chili if you want, or fresh chili like a Thai chili if you want your dressing to be hot. But I don't want my dressing to be hot, but this is just for presentation. I hope you like this video. Please share this video if you do. Give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Dash of Spices. Until next time everyone, thanks for watching. Ciao!